If your numbers suddenly reverse or appear in the wrong order when you add spaces in Photoshop 2022, the problem is usually related to the text direction or paragraph settings. First, select your Type tool and click inside the text where the numbers are reversing. Next, open the Paragraph panel by going to Window greater than Paragraph. Look for the text direction options and make sure the text is set to left to right instead of right to left. If you don't see these options, open the Paragraph panel menu and check the available Middle Eastern and South Asian text settings. After changing the direction, click back into your text and type the numbers again, adding the spaces between them to check if they now appear in the correct order. If the problem is still there, select all of the affected text and reapply the left to right paragraph direction. Once the numbers display correctly, you're done.